Good one for sure. Ooh, you feel that guy? That guy? Let me see. Okay. Not as bad on the left, definitely right side. Okay. Let's in it, yeah. Chin down, please. Okay. Right. Okay, that was pretty friggin' amazing. That probably felt good, didn't it? Yes. Let's see here, like this. Oof. Really small breath in, hold. That should be good. Out, let it go. I think we got it all. Cool. You did. Okay. Let me see. Yeah, right there. Here we go. Let's try the other side. Okay. I want to bring that knee kind of like up. Yeah, right there. That's it. Let's get you on your back, face up. There she go. Let's check here. Oh, maybe a little bit. Can you let this fall backwards? There it goes. Little stretch. Okay. You like that washout, man?
Yeah.
Just even this is perfect. Yes. Okay. And then drop and relax. Okay. Ready? Mm-hmm. Okay, cool. Turn your just here. Yeah. I just booped your snoot a little bit. Just relax here. Oh! How was that?
That's much better.
Yeah.